iBafana Bafana is going to play the World Cup qualifiers next week. Islangane Lesotho, and then a few days after that we're going to go up against Benin, and then up locally Aviat Shisakulok table the PSL Better Premiership. This is Gazini forever. Are we about to see a top team that is going to be relegated? I don't know, but you can keep yourself locked in because Goku we have passed the 20 mark in terms of the games that we have played this season. But guess it this season in South Africa. We're playing the World Cup qualifiers. Tina, we are placed on Group C, and then Group B we've got some top teams like Rwanda, Benin that we are set to face, Lesotho, Nigeria, Zimbabwe. But you know what's the most amazing part right now is that Tina, we are placed second Group B right now. Glock standings right behind Rwanda. After having played 4 games, we've only drawn 1 and also lost only 1, meaning that the other 2 we have won. So 67 points. Silingana ne Rwanda ne Benin yona ikwatre. Mind you, we are facing Benin ngoku. So it's not that easy a group, but I know, but I just mentioned Nigeria, so that means no. In Nigeria haven't won any game right now. So in Nigeria have played 4 games, won 0, drawn 3, and only lost 1. So many 3 points. That is not something that is expected of in Nigeria. But in South Africa, they are leading in terms of a goal scored, as they have scored a goals as is 6. These 2 upcoming games right now are so crucial. We have to win them, and then go June. You're also going to play again, but that's not what we are here to talk about. Going straight into his squad that has been selected by head coach Hugo Bruce. With the strongest squad, Ronan Williams, Ricardo Gos, Sipo Chain. A lot of people criticized the selection of Ricardo Gos by City. SuperSport United is doing so bad. Sizawungena kwi-SuperSport United. Remember, sizawuthetha nge-PSL log table. So he has only kept the clean sheets as he2 in 11 games, with the Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Bruce Boma having kept 6 clean sheets in 11 games, I think. So how come coach ukhethe omnye komnye? Because Sage Stevens yena ebekhona kwi-prelim team, but he was not considered for the final squad. And then moving on into phakathi abaleni kwi-defense yethu, we've got Sydney Mobi, Nyamaza, ever present. We've got Grant Kekano, Thabo Moloisane was Stellenbosch, Nyamaza. And then with Grant Kekano wasn't really supposed to be in the team, but you wangene then Kokba Kulumani Ndamase plays for TS Galaxy, didn't have a passport for Udlala. So that is also something that clubs should look for. Just to make sure bazonke players. I mean, if as a player, but if as a player with the intentions of playing for a national team, then you should have a passport, so that just in case Hugo Bruce but passport yakho yabo so fresh. So ukanti ke simbone sesquadini ke ngolo hlobo, and then we have Thabo Moloisane pha Stellenbosch, he's having a very good season. Nkosinathi Sibisi bathi fasa bohlela. We also got to Siyabonga Ngezana, who's been performing highly, doing very well for club yakhe, playing Europa League week in week out. Crazy. Khuliso Mutau, the ever-present Starboy, Nyamaza, Fawaz Pasadine of Stellenbosch. Now you're going about Tebogo Mokoena before singing the midfield. So yeah, he back here to Leo. Excluding with Tebogo Mokoena, of course. Like that is our defense. That is how we're lining up back. And then Hernando and Funas sitting as a left back. Fawaz Pasadine is the only left back that we have Payana. So that means we are going to have some, not that we're going to have a crisis, but Utiwan left back akekho. We have Warap ku SuperSport akekho. So I don't know bakwenzeka ntoni ncam. Andifuni uthetha kakhulu, but ocoach bayayazi bona le nto bayenzayo pha. And then I'm moving on from that. Tebogo Mokoena pha phakathi esuswini with Thusi Albers. Thusi Albers ebesesitulweni namhlanje against the Orlando Pirates. He didn't start the game, but Grant Kekane started the game. He wasn't going to be selected for a national team, but Thusi Albers going to select him. But I was sitting alone the most, and I positions but I just felt like and then we've got 2 talented back tower fan. He did very well against the Mamelodi Sundowns, Jaden Adams. Then moving to forwards, there's not much that I can say about midfield here. I feel like we are very content, but it's just that Siba needs midfield, and it's always a problem for coaches to select. But Tembile bona la for yabo Tebogo Mokoena, ever present figure, but Thusi Albers with talented Martin Jaden Adams, then it's okay. Jaden Adams, he has fixed his problems with Hugo Bruce, and I just hope he does better. And finally he gets to have a chance yakhe kuBafana Bafana. But ke kuzaba nzima ukuthi utalent embatha noma thuse awupass noTebogo. Wow. And then I'm moving on to forward to Osuna Police, artist star player, Patrick Maswangani, Ikram Reyners, Elias Mukwana, Niamas, Lyle Foster, Thapelo Morena, Relebohile Mofokeng, and then Percy Tau. But before we get to Percy Tau, Relebohile Mofokeng, highly criticized why he hasn't been involved with goals for the past few games. But against Orlando Pirates, ubonisile, but this is the reason why ndizongena kwisquad seBafana Bafana, and then ndizovangani. He goes into, he makes sure go score 2 goals against Mamelodi Sundowns. He makes sure that double figures for in both goals and assists for the season, which is very good numbers for him. Forward 22 goals plus assists this season in like 36 games. That is beautiful. That is something that is, I mean, we don't normally see players doing such numbers on both sides in terms of goals and assists. So kudos to when I am with Relebohile Mofokeng, and then Percy Tau makes his way back into the national team after a Silwa in South Africa for quite some time. Obviously, I feel like Siamulwa, because he didn't perform the way we wanted him to perform with AFCON, but he explained it to Pakos Nawa with Andile Ncube Metro FM that he wasn't playing the position that he's used to playing. Coach and he had to adapt and do it for the team and also for the country that he loves. So that is why he didn't play Golshobo. He also didn't feel himself. He felt like he wasn't really involved with the game, but he was in a particular way, but not Golshobo. And if we affect Hangalo game, that is all Percy Tau, and that is the squad that we're going to use. And then moving on from that, going into, I think favorite, that is my favorite part about this whole video. Ile PSL. Bro, iyachisa insimbi. I don't know, I wouldn't really want us to look at the top of the table, but rather bottom. But you know, thing must call in enhloko man, asinakwazi uqala emaqatheni. Mamelodi Sundowns occupying first spot without a surprise. 58 points. The gap between you and Mamelodi Sundowns. Like 15 points, if I'm calculating correctly. Orlando Pirates have got 4 games in hand. Mamelodi Sundowns like games is 23. Orlando Pirates next game is 19. Zoe2 is scheduled as it had. I don't know uba yenze kanjani into yoba Mamelodi Sundowns bene gap engaka when the Pirates in terms of the games played, because Zoe2 is scheduled tight, so they should be like on the same amount of games. But Orlando Pirates bene games is 19. Mamelodi Sundowns bene games is 23. Siyafideka, but guess is our team. Yeah, so Orlando Pirates on 43 points. Obviously, Mamelodi Sundowns with the most goals scored, over 50 goals. Stellenbosch occupies the third spot. This is a focus on the top 3. But I'm going to get the top 4. It is Galaxy number 4. What's going on in the league? Because normally, class Bala City number 1, Orlando Pirates. You start number 1, Mamelodi Sundowns. Number 2, Orlando Pirates. Number 3, be Kaizer Chiefs. Number 4, be SuperSport. Man, hey. But go Kasbala City Test Galaxy Park number 4. Sizothi Sekhukhune United City Polokwane City have also dropped in terms of performance, because they've been coming in kakuhle, but suddenly bathatha Super 10 like 8 games no win. Kwenze ke ntoni phuthi mohafe khawuthethe nathi tata man sikuphamazwa mbalo namhlanje sikakunceda apho sikunceda khona. Inoba uyacapha ukuthi manje ubukele le video bakutheni ngathi ndibizi Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is just below iAmazulu. Amazulu occupies the 7th spot below right now. Kaizer Chiefs iphakwa 8, and then moving on, Chippa United occupies the 9th spot, having won their last game 2-0. Better iPolokwane City lenqo. Golden Arrows ko number 10. Richards Bay bethi Kaizer Chiefs ngamanqoqo amabini kuye eqandeni. Occupies Ilanduka the 11th place. Magesi FC, Mamelodi Sundowns Layers number 12 for Park Lock. And then Cape Town City, another concerning team. They went into market bafika bazidalela at the beginning of the season. Coming back from there, we thought Eric Tinkler was going to cook something special. I mean, you signed the likes of Omar Karen, you signed the likes of Okamohelo Mokocho. Midfield Yako is supposed to be turgid. You bring in Lendwani Bidlalela Mamelodi Sundowns from Africa. I'm so sorry, I forgot his name. Like, you at least maybe suppose they are working something with it. Okay, but I'm coach. Bangenisa uMuseni Atukra. Museni Atukra, first 2 games we are win. Like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on with the Cape Town City, but I just hope that at the end of the season they can work something out and try to turn this thing around, because they've got a good squad. Yeah, but they're bringing in also Witboy. They've also brought in Ukrim. I just hope that they can work something around with this squad, because they have a very good squad, and also with the depth, especially the midfield. they can work wonders. They can work you wonders. And then number 14, Marumo Gallants. Not really a successful season, but I feel like Njengesiqhelo they're always fighting to survive. And then number 15, very surprising, SuperSport United. Stan Matthews star. Team. Like he playoff spot there for relegation. It can't be happening like that. After 21 games played this season, SuperSport United has 21 points. They've lost 10 games, they've drawn 6, and they've only won 5. And the Asba Bragav, Kevin Hunt, I don't know what's going on. I'm going to SuperSport United, and so many people are happy that SuperSport United is actually getting relegated, especially if fans the moment the Sundowns, it's on a derby. So yeah, it's interesting. And then number 16 year of course they've only played like 11 games this season, which is not a very good thing. With Jongile now. So for him, my biggest concern with Premier Soccer League right now is that compared to Premiership is that SuperSport United, it's going to be very bad for a league. They've been one of the best teams over the years. So like we've had 8 teams that like the top 5 teams: Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, SuperSport United. Did they 5? ABS 5. A Cape Town City man and I man. But those 4 teams have been teams that have been like been at the top when it comes to also winning titles. Kaizer Chiefs in the category 10 years younger ago. But like those 4 teams have been like the biggest teams. So we can't be having SuperSport United relegated. And for not pick relegation playoffs. I just hope they try to fight their way back. Not that it is need teams that deserve relegator, but I'm like, Aibo, SuperSport so that is all that I have for you today. But I wish them all the best. I feel like we must win these 2 games so that this was cement in the way. We have to go to World Cup and compete. We're like one of the best teams in Africa right now. Top 3. I mean, number 3 we have AFCON. We're also going into the AFCON. Part I speak about this time around. We have to make sure see win. No pressure though. We play the policy score the pascal combine and then with also with how the Premier League is going right now. Remember the Sundowns have got like 7 games left before they wrap up the season. Let's just make sure it's Orlando Pirates niyabanika pressure bangavele bayihave ease. Ngabhetere kakhulu if iPirates angazwina as games inazo ingabi na draw ingabi na loss, just to so that sizoba ne competition like for elite title. I mean it's been quite a while and also now for next season team must music house man sikwazi uleqisana neSundowns so that nabo bazofila competition and for man bazoleqa 8th league title ngoku in a row. Ayo Farmers League le yasengathi sise France ngoku. So this team mazenze man is like aboni caca naniba these big teams. That's the responsibility, Joe. Thank you so much for watching the video. One thing that I want to announce before we close it off, been sent about 200 videos on YouTube, and if you're watching this on YouTube, this is the 201st video. 835 subscribers. I've come a long way over the past 2 years. I've been doing this, getting subscribers, getting those numbers. I think I have like 70k plus overall views. We've been trying and we're getting somewhere. So if you're watching with this right now, subscribe and just continue watching and supporting. Not that in the recurring viewers, but it's something that has been happening. Thank you so much for it. Oh, have a great evening.